Helo, croeso. Dyma wers bach iawn. Here's a little lesson about imperatives. What are imperatives? Well, they're when you give someone an instruction or an order. So, for example, in English, you would just say, go there, turn right, don't eat those. In Welsh, there's a specific verb ending that tells you that it is an imperative. So, with most verbs, this is super easy to do. You just figure out what is the stem of the word, and if it's formal, you add ewch. So, for example, darllenwch y llyfr yma. Cerddwch yn araf. Rhedwch i'r siop. Trowch i'r dde. Now, when it's informal, you can either just use the stem or you add an a. So, for example, you might see, rhed yn gyflym, but more commonly you'd hear rheda yn gyflym. And then tro i'r dde, maybe troa i'r dde. Darllen hwn. Yfed dipyn bach o ddŵr. Now, when it comes to don't do something, you've probably seen these signs. So, formally, peidiwch a, or peidiwch ag, if it's before a vowel. So, peidiwch ag ysmygu, peidiwch a meddwl. And if it's informal, paid. So, paid a gwneud hynna. Paid a deud. There are exceptions, of course, and two that I'm going to mention now are the ones from mewn, to go, and dod, to come. So, for mewn, we would use ewch or dos. Ewch lawr y lôn. Dos oma. You might also hear cer, which is short for cerdded, but that can also mean go. So you might hear cer oma. Similarly, dewch I mewn, dewch yma, and tyrd, or tyrd. So, tyrd yma, tyrd I mewn. Alright, so hopefully now you'll understand if someone gives you these directions. Ewch I lawr y lôn, trowch i'r chwith, a cerddwch am ddau funud. Did that make sense? What if I say, Croesa'r lôn, tro i'r dde, a rhed lawr y lôn am 5 munud? I'll put the answers in the description. Okay, diolch yn fawr. A welai chi tro nesa.